So, as a child, General Patton had difficulty learning to read and write, but eventually he overcame this and was known in his adult life to be an avid reader. He was tutored from home until the age of 11, when he was enrolled in Stephen Clark's School for Boys, a private school in Pasadena, for 6 years. Patton was described as an intelligent boy and was widely read on classical military history, particularly the exploits of Hannibal, Scipio Africanus, Julius Caesar, Joan of Arc, and Napoleon Bonaparte. Hold on. As well as those of a family friend, John Singleton Mosby, who frequently stopped by Patton's family home when George S. Patton was a child. He was also a devoted horseback rider. Patton never seriously considered a career other than military. At the age of 17, he sought an appointment to the United States Military Academy. Patton applied to several universities with Reserve Officers Training Corps programs. Patton was accepted to Princeton College, but eventually decided on VMI, which his father and grandfather had attended. He attended the school from 1903 to 1904, and though he struggled with reading and writing, performed exceptionally in uniform and appearance inspections, as well as military drill. While Patton was at VMI, California's senator nominated him for West Point. From 1904 to 1909, Patton continued to struggle with his academics and nearly failed. He never gave up, and he focused on improving his study habits in the end. In the end, he finished 46 out of 103 cadets that graduated.